Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can cover fluid flow and solid mechanics in COMSOL Multiphysics. This is our domain and we have water flow inside our domain. We have two boundary conditions here as you can see. This is our inlet boundary condition and here we have the outlet boundary condition. The below domain is actually the water domain and the yellow is a copper domain, and we want to find the velocity distribution inside the domain, and also we need to check the formation of the copper domain. Okay, let's get started. Click on model wizard. We have 2D, so we use 2D. We open fluid flow, single phase flow, and we have a turbulent flow, so we open it and we use K epsilon. Okay, now we need to select solid mechanics. So here we open structure mechanics and here we select solid mechanics. Okay. Click on study and we have a steady state simulation. So we use a stationary. The first step is creating the geometry. So here we right click and select a rectangle, and the width is 4 and our height is 1. Okay. And now we need to define the covered domain. So we right click geometry 1 again and we select a rectangle. Okay. And the height is 0.8 and the width is 0.2. Okay. And now we need to move it. So here we use for x actually 2. So we have our domain here. Okay. Now right click on materials, add material from library, and here we need to select copper and water. Okay. For water, we open liquid and gases, and here we use water. Okay, add the component. For copper, we can open AC/DC, and here we can select copper. Okay, here, as you can see, we have a copper domain, and it is our water domain. Okay, now select turbulent flow here. So it is actually the solid domain, so it is not the fluid flow. So we deactivate or remove it from our domain selection. Okay, and here we can right click and we need to define our boundary conditions. So it is our inlet boundary condition and our velocity is 5 meters per second. Okay, and now we need to define our outlet boundary condition, and this is our outlet boundary condition, and for our outlet we use pressure, and the pressure value is 0. Okay, here you can see we open solid mechanics and right click here. We can use a fixed constraint. This is actually fixed. Okay, now right click on multiphysics. Okay, fluid structure interaction. And here, just in solid mechanics, it is our fluid, just is our copper. Okay. Now click on fluid structure interaction. Okay. And here we just select this boundary because they are connected with fluid domain. Okay. So now we need to go to mesh 1, and here we can use just course. I click on build, and now we click on stationary and compute the model. Okay, it is our velocity distribution as you can see, and it is our pressure distribution. And now we click on stress. Here you can see also the deformation of our copper. Okay, so if we deactive plot dataset edges, and here you can see it is actually the formation of our copper domain, and here we can plot streamline for our system. So right click on velocity, click on streamline. Okay. So for streamline, for the selection we use inlet, and for number we use 4. Okay. And here for type we can interactive arrow. Okay. And here you can see we can plot. Okay. So you can see the streamline. And also we can see the animation. So click on player. Okay, so here you can see the streamline. Okay, again